Welcome to Tech for Seniors, where we make technology simple for everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to use one of the most fun and useful features on your smartphone, the camera. Your phone's camera isn't just for taking pictures, it's a tool that helps you capture memories, stay connected with loved ones, and even share moments instantly, no matter where they are. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open the camera, take photos and videos, adjust simple settings, and share those pictures with others. Don't worry if this sounds complicated right now. We'll take it step by step, slowly and clearly. Let's start with the basics. How to open the camera. On most smartphones, you'll see a little icon that looks like a camera right on your home screen. Tapping this will open the camera instantly. Many phones also let you open the camera quickly by swiping up from the lock screen or pressing the power button twice. Try a few methods. Swipe, double press, until you find the easiest one for your phone. If you're not sure which method works for your phone, just try a few until you find the easiest one. Once the camera is open, you'll see what your phone is looking at right on the screen. This is called the viewfinder. If you move the phone around, the picture on the screen will change in real time. To take a picture, simply tap the big circle button at the bottom. It usually looks white. As soon as you tap it, your phone will snap a photo. Now let's talk about focusing. Have you ever noticed that sometimes your photos look blurry? On your smartphone, all you need to do is tap on the screen where you want the focus to be. You might even see a little yellow or white box appear, showing that the camera is focusing on that spot. For example, if you're taking a picture of your grandchild, tap on their face and the camera will adjust so the face is clear and sharp. What if you want to zoom in? Smartphones make this easy. Most phones allow you to pinch your fingers on the screen to zoom in or out. Place 2 fingers on the screen and move them apart to zoom in, or move them closer together to zoom out. Some phones also have a little zoom button, usually shown as numbers like 1x, 2x, or 5x. Remember though, zooming too much can make your pictures blurry, so try to stay within the first few levels for the best quality. Stay close and use lower zoom levels when possible. Next, let's explore taking selfies. To switch to the front camera, look for a little icon that looks like a camera with circular arrows. Tap that, and your phone will flip to the front-facing camera. Hold the phone at arm's length or slightly above your head, smile, and tap the button to take a selfie. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Everyone takes several selfies before they get one they like. Now, photos are just one part of the camera. Your phone can also take videos. To switch to video mode, look for the word video at the bottom of the screen and tap it. The button will usually turn red, meaning you're ready to record. Tap the button once to start recording and again to stop. When recording video, try to hold your phone as steady as possible. If you're filming something important, like your granddaughter's piano recital or a family birthday, use 2 hands to keep the phone from shaking. You can also use small tripods or rests to steady the phone for long recordings. When moving, pan slowly to keep the video smooth and easy to watch. Let's talk about lighting, because lighting can make a big difference in how your photos look. If you're taking pictures indoors, make sure you're facing the light instead of having it behind you. For example, if there's a window, try standing so that the window light is shining on your face, not behind your head. You'll notice the camera adjusts exposure to show your face clearly. Outdoors, the best times to take photos are in the morning or late afternoon when the sunlight is softer. In the middle of the day, the light can be too harsh. Now, after you take a picture or video, you might wonder, where did it go? Don't worry. Your phone automatically saves everything in your Photos app or Gallery app. To see your recent pictures, tap the little square in the corner of your camera screen, usually on the bottom left. This will open the most recent photo. From there, you can scroll through all your photos and videos. Once you've found a photo you like, you can share it. When you open a photo, you'll see a little square with an arrow coming out of it. That's the share button. Tap it, and you'll see options to send your photo through text message, email, WhatsApp, or even social media like Facebook. Just pick the method you prefer, choose the person you want to send it to, and press send. Within seconds, they'll receive your photo. Sharing is one of the most powerful features of smartphones. You can also edit your photos right on your phone. Most smartphones have simple editing tools built in. Open a photo, look for the word edit or a little pencil icon, and tap it. You can brighten the photo, crop it to remove unwanted parts, or even add filters to change the colors. Editing won't erase your original picture, so you can always go back if you don't like the changes. Another great tip is to create albums. Over time, you'll take hundreds of photos. Creating albums helps you stay organized. For example, you could create an album for family vacations, one for birthdays, and one for pets. That way, when you want to look back, everything is neatly sorted. Before we finish, let's quickly talk about storage. Photos and videos can take up a lot of space on your phone. If you start seeing messages saying your storage is full, don't panic. You can move photos to the cloud using apps like Google Photos or iCloud. This saves your pictures online and frees up space on your phone. The best part is that even if you lose your phone, your photos will still be safe in the cloud. Cloud backup gives you peace of mind. Let's do a quick recap. Today, you learned how to open the camera, take photos and selfies, record videos, focus and zoom, use good lighting, find your photos, and share them with friends and family. Edit them, organize them into albums, and even save them in the cloud for safety. With just a little practice, you'll be taking beautiful pictures and videos that you'll treasure for years to come. Remember, face the light, hold steady, and don't be afraid to try different angles. Practice one step at a time, opening the camera, tapping to focus, and sharing a photo. If your phone has accessibility options, try larger text or voice commands to make things easier. You can say, "Take a picture," to your voice assistant on many phones. If photos come out blurry, tap the screen to refocus and hold the phone steady. If storage is full, move older photos to the cloud or delete ones you don't need. Take a few photos each day and experiment. It's the best way to learn. Editing can be quick and fun. Try brightening or cropping to improve a picture. When using the cloud, use secure passwords and enable two-factor authentication if available. This helps keep your memories safe. You're doing great. Now let's finish up with a quick thank you and a final note. One more moment, a brief close. Thank you for watching Tech for Seniors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials. Your support helps us make more videos to guide you through technology step by step. And remember, technology is here to make your life easier and more enjoyable. With a little practice, you'll be taking photos and videos you love. Open, take, edit, and share. Those 4 steps will get you started. Try each one today with a photo you take right now. Try taking a selfie, then send it to a friend, and finally back up a few favorites to the cloud. Small steps add up quickly. If you have questions or want a video on a specific phone or app, leave a comment below. Tell us what device you use and we'll make a guide just for you. Check these related videos to keep learning. And click subscribe to stay updated. Thanks again from all of us at Tech for Seniors. Visit our channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Bonus tip, use burst mode for moving subjects to capture the best moment. Hold the shutter button down in photo mode to take multiple shots quickly. If anything looks small, increase text size and settings or enable magnification features. These settings make phones easier to use every day. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Capture memories, share them, and enjoy. Credits and thanks. See video description for resources and links. Subscribe for more. Visit our playlist for beginner guides. Take your time and enjoy learning. See you next time on Tech for Seniors.